Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager, Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. I want to take a quick second. Got here early this morning before anyone's here and still kind of dawning out. So I wanted to show you the Rigid Industries flood lights, or scene lights, excuse me, on a 200 series Land Cruiser. They are mounted to a Front Runner roof rack. And I wanted to show you specifically the amount of flood and span that they have on the tile. So you can kind of see if you're using this for a camping use case or whatever at night, you kind of see how much light you're actually going to get out of these LEDs. So we have two mounted on the left and two mounted on the right. And then I'll show you how they're switched. They don't take much power at all. Of course, it depends on the battery, but I think you could probably get many, many days of leaving them on, or nights. So we have the left and right through the SwitchPro. You can use any kind of switching mechanism that you want, but if you use a SwitchPro, then you can log into the SwitchPro via Bluetooth, and you can adjust a handful of different settings, such as whether it's engine ignition or just battery draw or whatever. But it's a nice little upgrade. If you're an outdoorsman, this is the Rigid Industry scene lights on a 200 series Land Cruiser. They do come in white as well, but we opted for a softer color for night vision. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Again, Eric at Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana, 317-385-9572.